by reviewing the Eachine E58, aka the DJI Mavic Mini clone. This will be the first of many upcoming drone review videos, so stay tuned for more. Anyway, what makes the Eachine E58 so good? Let's find out. Let's begin with what is inside the box. We get the drone transmitter powered by 3 AA batteries which are not provided, a user manual which comes in 6 different languages, a USB charging cable, spare props, prop guards and 2 batteries. The drone, which has a nice foldable design like that of the Mavic Mini, is fitted with a 2 megapixel camera, which is 720p recording footage and adjustable angle using servos. Any footage taken must be stored to a micro SD card, which is why you'll find a micro SD card slot in the drone. Powering the drone is a 500 mAh battery, fitted with a micro USB port and LED light to charge, giving it 6-minute flight time and approximately 1 hour to charge, which I find could be a bit better. Back to the camera footage, here is some for you to take a look at. In conclusion, overall this is a fantastic drone despite being nothing like the Mavic Mini. I would certainly encourage anyone to buy this because it is equipped with amazing features and very minimal problems. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Goodbye for now.